The river is high today. I read somewhere that, well, this was as of yesterday, out of the 22 days of May, we've had 20 days of rain, of recordable rainfall is what they say. So yeah, 23 days in, and only 3 days we haven't had rain. And the river is showing it. It's actually nice out today. I mean, it's cloudy, the sun ain't out, but number one, there's no rain, and number two, the temperature is great. It's in the 70s. It's like perfect. Could stand out here all day. But of course, I'm at work, so I have to get back to work. Gonna come down here fishing sometime and see what we can catch. I know up further, one town over, they stock it. There's a stocking association that stocks trout, nice sized trout too. So I think me and my son will come down here and try it out. Been wanting to for years now. Just for whatever reason, don't think of it or whatever. So I think it's a definite. We're gonna have to try it. We'll let the river go down a little bit. Give it a couple more days. Hopefully we won't get any more rain. It's supposed to be nice this weekend, in the 80s and sunny all weekend. So here goes some poor kids basketball floating away. But I think what we'll do is we'll give it a couple days, hopefully through the weekend, and maybe one day next week or next weekend to see how I'm working. Maybe we can get down here and try some fishing. There's quite a few spots that are open down here. Here's one of them that you can get to. There's some cleared off. This is like a port area that they made. It's an old boat dock, an old boat ramp. But there's quite a few spots up further that they actually cleared out. So, alright guys, just wanted to shoot something today and put it up. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. So I just thought I'd give you another view of the river from a different angle. This is another area where you can come down and this is another old boat launch area. You can see it goes right up to the river. And you can see right here I'm standing how high this river is. You can normally get out probably another 15 feet yet from here. So I just wanted to give you another view. It's beautiful down here. Except for this shit. Can't stand this stuff. That's why I'm down here when I'm working. I come down and I document graffiti and new stuff that's placed. I really like to catch the people that are doing this. Just wreck everything. I mean, this isn't the nicest area right here, but they don't have to make it worse. Alright guys, take care. Just like this old railroad trestle. This thing is really old. It's still in use. In fact, a train that just went by earlier and I stopped filming because it was so loud. But you can see how close I am to the river. And look what they do to it. This railroad trestle is probably, the kids that are doing this, it's probably older than their parents, maybe even their grandparents. Just no respect. None at all. And then you come out here. Yeah, it's so cool, isn't it? Jerks. That's what they do.